Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your real estate marketing with Realtor.com easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To get started with optimizing your real estate marketing on Realtor.com, first, create an account if you don't have one. Visit Realtor.com and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the necessary information to set up your profile, including your name, email, and phone number. Once registered, log into your account and navigate to the agent dashboard. In the dashboard, you'll find options to manage your listings and profile details. Begin by enhancing your profile, add a professional profile picture to build trust with potential clients. Next, write a compelling bio that highlights your experience and specialization in real estate. Be sure to include your contact information so potential buyers can easily reach you. Now, it's time to optimize your listings. Select a property you wish to promote and click on Edit Listing. Ensure all property details are accurate and up-to-date, including price, location, and key features. Add high-quality photos that showcase the property's best attributes. Consider including a virtual tour or video walkthrough to engage prospective buyers. Once your photos are uploaded, write an engaging property description that emphasizes the unique selling points. Utilize relevant keywords that potential buyers might use in their searches. After updating your listing, check the visibility settings to ensure it's set to public. To enhance your marketing further, explore Look for the Promote Listing feature in the dashboard. Choose an advertising package that suits your budget and goals. Monitor your listing's performance through the analytics tools available in your dashboard. Review the number of views, inquiries, and leads generated from each listing. Adjust your strategy based on these insights to optimize your marketing efforts. Finally, stay engaged by responding promptly to inquiries and follow up with interested buyers. By following these steps, you'll effectively optimize your real estate marketing on Realtor.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.